In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Singapore to an Indian bank account using Wise. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to visit the Wise website. If you already have an account, simply log in. If you're new to Wise, you'll need to sign up. The process is simple and it's free to create an account. Just follow the on-screen prompts to set up your account by providing the necessary details. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Wise dashboard, which is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Next, from the dashboard, you will need to choose the currency you are sending from. In this case, you'll be sending money from Singapore, so you'll select Singapore dollar, abbreviated as SGD. This ensures that Wise knows which currency to convert from, making the rest of the process smooth. With the currency chosen, you'll want to go ahead and click on the Send button. This is your cue to begin the transfer process. Think of this as the start line, setting you up to specify where your money is headed and who the lucky recipient will be. Now, you'll need to click on Add Recipient. At this point, Wise will ask who you are sending the money to. You're going to want to make sure all the information entered here is correct because this ensures a successful transfer. After selecting Add Recipient, it's time to choose the currency your recipient will receive, which in this instance is Indian rupee, abbreviated as INR. Selecting INR ensures that funds are converted appropriately and arrive in a currency that your recipient can use seamlessly. The next step involves clicking on Bank Details. Here, you are required to specify who your recipient is. Wise gives you different options to categorize this. Make sure you choose the correct option that best describes your recipient. This is particularly important for avoiding any hitches in the transaction process. Once you've specified that, it's time to enter the recipient's bank account details. You'll need the full name of the account holder, the IFSC code, which uniquely identifies their bank, and the account number. Double-check these details for accuracy to make sure the money is directed to the correct account. Additionally, you have the option to include the recipient's email address. Including an email can be helpful if you want the recipient to get an immediate notification about the transfer. Before finalizing the transaction, you have the chance to review the transfer details. This includes double-checking the amount, fees, and the current exchange rate. Wise provides a breakdown of these to ensure transparency in your transfer. Once everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the transaction. Just click Confirm and Send, and your funds will be on their way. Wise will take it from there, ensuring your money reaches the recipient securely and promptly, and that's it. Now you know how to transfer money from Singapore to an Indian bank account using Wise quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.